Welcome! In front of me I have Zepp E watch and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. If you want to use your watch to control the music on your phone, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Zepp application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music player on our phone. For example, I'm gonna open the YouTube, but you could use Tidal, Spotify and stuff like that. And once you open the music player, you can start playing the music. And then go to your watch, wake up the screen on it by pressing the side button. Then press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll down, find the music icon and tap on it. And your watch should detect that you're playing the music, as you can see. And here we can do a couple of things. We can play or pause the music by tapping on the play and pause button. Like that. And we can increase or decrease the volume of the music being played by tapping on the speaker icon and tapping on the plus or minus buttons. Like that. We can tap on the next button to go to the next song. We can tap on the previous button to go to the previous song. And once you're done controlling the music, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. You can also open the music widget a faster way. You don't need to open the menu and find the icon. You can simply swipe left on the screen to scroll through the widgets until you find the music widget. Okay, and that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.